Cinta's devotion and Valerie lesson. One day, in a house with a countryside atmosphere, lived a child named Cinta. She was a good and devoted daughter to her parents. On Monday, Cinta was heading off to school. "Hi, Mommy. I'm leaving for school now. Take good care of yourself, Mom," said Cinta. Her mother replied, "Be careful there. I hope you do well in class. I'm always praying for you." Along the way, she met her friend Valerie. Valerie is Cinta's classmate and they've been friends for quite some time. Then they went to school together. Finally, they arrived at the elementary school where they pursued knowledge. They began their usual lesson. At the end of the class, the teacher gave them homework. The teacher said, "Children, don't forget to do your assignment, okay?" After their lessons, they went home. Sometime later, they were playing in the park, but only Valerie was there. Cinta had not yet arrived. Valerie decided to go to Cinta's house. It turned out that Cinta hadn't come to the park because she was taking care of her sick mother. Cinta said that her mother wasn't feeling well and apologized to Valerie for not being able to play at the park. Valerie understood and played with her other friends. The next day, they returned to their school activities. The teacher said, "Children, please collect the homework from yesterday. And Cinta, please tell us how you did this assignment," said the teacher. Cinta said, "Actually, I finished this homework quickly. After that, I helped my mother chores like sweeping because my mother was sick, so I had to take care of her. But thankfully, her illness wasn't severe, so now my mother is better." "You are a good child. Keep loving your parents and keep up the spirit," said the teacher. "Okay, now Valerie, what is your homework?" "I'm sorry, Mom. Yesterday I played until late, and then I forgot about the homework." "Okay, Valerie, please tell us why you didn't do your assignment." "I actually don't want to talk about it here. My mother reminded me about the homework, but I lied to her and said there wasn't any," said Valerie. Valerie explained that she was angry at her mother because her mother wouldn't buy her the toy she wanted, as her mother knew the toy was expensive and they didn't have enough money. The teacher advised Valerie that she should love her mother just like Cinta does. Finally, Valerie slowly realized her mistake. As they were about to go home, Cinta said to Valerie, "Are you going to stay mad at your mom? I'm not trying to lie to you, but please take care and stop that anger. Will you help me? What should I do to apologize to my mom?" said Valerie. "Yes, I'll go with you." They finally arrived at Valerie's house. Valerie said, "Mom, lately I've always made you angry, made things difficult for you. Please forgive me, Mom. I love you, dear. You don't need to apologize. I always forgive you." The next day, the teacher announced that Cinta and Valerie were selected to participate in an inter-class quiz ball competition. The competition began and ended with Cinta and Valerie winning. They were moved and proud and then presented the trophy to their parents. Their parents were proud of them and they were happy together.